I just received the information, the official information written to me by Chairman Attorney Romando Artes of the Metro Manila Development Authority. And let me read. Subject: redirection of generated waste to the assigned sanitary landfill, SLF, starting August 27, 2025. Dear Mayor Domagoso, greetings from Metro Manila Development Authority. In the event of the impending permanent closure of Navotas Sanitary Landfill on August 26, your office is hereby advised to redirect your generated waste to new San Mateo Sanitary Landfill starting August 27, 2025. Further, you may coordinate with the International Solid Waste Integrated Management Specialists Incorporated, or ISWIMS, for related requirements. For further clarification or related inquiries, please do contact and so on and so on. Now,